Manage payment terms in YoPrint. Discover how you can manage payment terms and use them as presets to save time on data entry. Select the Settings option in the Configuration tab to get to the system settings. Click on Payment Term in the left sidebar to view or update your payment terms. To add a new payment term, click the Add Payment Term button at the top. Give your payment term a unique name and set the conditions. Click Save to finalize and add your new payment term to the list. To update an existing payment term, click the three-dot menu icon next to it. Select Edit to begin modifying the details of this payment term. Start editing your payment term and click Save once you're done. To delete a payment term, click Remove from the three-dot menu option. Confirm removal by clicking the Remove button in the dialog to permanently delete the payment term. Removing a payment term is permanent and cannot be undone. If this was done by mistake, you can always add a new payment term again. To set a default payment term for your own account, click the three-dot menu option. Select Set as Default to make it your default payment term. Pro tip: save time by setting your most frequently used payment term as the default, so it automatically applies to all new sales orders and quotes. Next, let's set a default payment term for customers. From your YoPrint dashboard, click on Customers in the Sales dropdown. Open the three-dot menu and select View to see detailed information about the customer. Locate and click the Default Payment Term dropdown to adjust the payment terms for this customer. Select an option from the drop-down menu to set the default payment term for the customer. Now let's see how we can use a payment term in a sales order as an example. From your dashboard, click Sales Orders under the Sales tab. Double-click on a sales order to open it. Click on the Edit button right next to Payment Term inside the sales order. Select your payment term from the drop-down menu in the dialog box. The Select Payment Term dialog is flexible, allowing you to make one-off payment terms for individual orders as needed. You can adjust the full amount due date, deposit requirement, and deposit percentage at any time based on customer negotiations. Don't forget to save your settings. Once your sales order is created, our system auto-calculates the deposit to be paid based on the conditions of the payment term. If you have any questions or run into issues, our support team is always here to help. Just send us an email. You can also find more resources in our Help Center, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, let us know. See you in the next one!